What's going on, guys? I'm Will.
And I'm Alex, and we're the OK Cooks.
Let's get cooking. Diaz. McDiaz.
Alright, you want me to film? Or are you going to film me?
I got you, dude.
Alright. Oh, juicy perfection.
McDonald's, can I help you?
Hey there.
Hey dear, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm pretty good, man.
That's great.
Thank you.
Can I do a plain double cheeseburger and a medium french fry?
That be all?
Yeah, that's it. And can you throw some ketchup packets in the bag for me?
Of course.
Thank you.
Alright, man, so it'll be $327.
Alright.
Alright.
All right, Alex. So tell me, what are we making tonight?
We're making the thick and juicy.
So for people that don't know, we like to abbreviate certain food items. So DIA stands for quesadilla.
Mm-hmm.
And we're making the world famous McDilla tonight.
The McDilla is a blend of two classic favorites. A meal from McDonald's and a quesadilla.
This is going to be huge. We're going to break culinary boundaries tonight. I hope you enjoy it. I know you will.
I don't know about culinary boundaries, but we're going to make something tasty.
12 seconds later.
McDilla style.
Alright, we got some fries, we got a burger, and we got some Mickey D's ketchup.
Now the real art to making a McDilla is the cheese.
Okay, what cheese we got?
The cheese in the Dia is going to be cheddar, Monterey Jack. So we're going to chop the burger,
Okay.
leave the fries whole.
Is it time?
I gotta look good.
We need a rough chop with this.
Yeah, but safety first.
Alright, we got one chop. We got two chops.
The smell of that double cheeseburger when you started cutting that
Is filling the room.
hit me like a freight train.
In the
Did you
best way.
smell it?
Yes.
Like it did not smell,
No.
but when you cut it,
We broke the seal.
sweet Christmas, it hit me in the face.
Alright, does that look good? Rough chop?
That looks fantastic.
Alright. What's next?
Something about the sound of opening a tortilla package really gets my... Here's our cheese, cheddar, jack. All right, so sometimes I like to put the butter on and just like let it sit. Actually, the more butter, the better.
Is there too much butter?
I've never found that you can have too much butter.
Okay.
So once it's good, just kind of
Just rub it in.
rub it in.
You want an equal spread.
Yeah, all over. Then salt it. Just some fresh ground salt. My boys down at McCormick's
Not sponsored.
give me that value size. Their tagline, the taste...
You can feel.
No, the taste you
When
trust.
it-
Close.
When it fits, you feel it.
Who's that? Pennies?
Yeah.
Get it, pennies.
Dude, don't just carry that tortilla around willy-nilly.
So when you have it and you're going to put it in your hot pan, have cheese ready. Don't be like, oh no. Just have your cheese. Lesson. Cheese one hand, Dia. So we got our hot pan. We're just going to lay this in. Ooh, if you don't hear that, you've made a mistake. I'm just saying. Now don't be shy. I mean, get in there. So you see we got the cheddar, we got the jack. Oh my gosh. Like I find just get it in there. Alright, so I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna grab my burger. Layer it on one side. Because you're gonna flip that other side over. Whew. 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 And get your french fries. Just kind of spread them all out. This is important.
Why?
Ketchup. Now you could use the ketchup in your fridge,
But
but urban legend says that
the McDonald's blend is something special.
they've got their own. That's one packy.
How many packs do you say we need?
I'm gonna say at least 2, because we're gonna be dipping it in our sauce. All right, got it. So you're gonna grab your side and bring this up. Holy moly! Wow.
That's one full dia.
Don't be shy. Like really, you might have to manhandle it a little bit, because the McDilla is not a skinny.
Dia.
It's not a skinny boy. All right, now for this dia, we gotta have a sauce, because nobody likes a sauceless dia. So for this, I think we need to make our OK Burger sauce.
All right, let's do it. We got mustard. We got ketchup. We got that crystal. We got Hellmann's. And we got that black peppercorn grinder.
Oh, don't forget about them wickles. Gotta put a little bit of them wickles.
All right, we got the wickles.
At least a tablespoon to 2 of mayonnaise.
Little Heinz.
I'd say. Can I get it from here?
A healthy squirt.
Okay. Oh,
You're
God.
making a mess.
Oh, God, I got it.
Oh,
You'll get it in there. I know you like it peppery. So I'd
Who
say give
doesn't?
us a good little grind of the pepper.
I'm going to say about 20 grinds. Give it a little stir.
All right. Give it a dippy.
Pinky in.
Pinky in, pinky out. There we go.
That's healthy on the... Forgot. Pickle juice.
I knew something was missing. A little dab.
Little dab will do ya. Alright, I'm going in with a different finger. That's it.
That's what it was missing.
Wickles.
That is the OK Burger sauce. We're going to be dipping this dia in that. Now let's get back to the dia before it's too burnt. I like to just look at it while it dias. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're going to bring it over here. Wow. Oh my gosh. You see the French fries. You see some burger. You see some cheese. You see our cheese. You see the ketchup. Oh.
I just want to be able to taste everything.
Do you know what time it is?
It's dia time.
It's time to taste it. All right, let's do this. So I would say give it a healthy dip.
Alright. Down the hatch. Oh, God. It's so good.
It, on paper, you turn right by this.
Would you?
Just look, like, I'm not afraid of this sauce. Does something on my face?
A little bit.
Can I get it with my tongue?
No.
It's too far.
You got most of it. This is the best quesadilla.
Well, I think we've done it. I think we've done the first episode of OK Cooks. And I'm really happy that we chose
The McDilla.
the McDilla as our first video.
Completely agree. Let us know what you think about this dia in the comments. Let us know if you've done this before. Let us know if you're interested in doing it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. There's going to be more where this came from. So, thanks for watching. I'm Alex.
I'm Will.
And we're the OK Cooks.
Let's get cooking. Feel a sneeze, hold on.
Don't sneeze on a deer, bro. Jesus.